Hi everyone, my name is Catherine Galloway, and it's nice to meet all of you. I decided to take this elective because I think it is such something that we all come across as social workers on a regular basis, is working with families that are kind of involved in the system for various reasons. So I think this will serve me well and really provide a lot of opportunity to learn more about why families are involved um, and how to serve them best, really. And so what I hope to learn from this class is a lot because I am, with this program, I'm new to the social work field, and I haven't worked with families in these types of settings before. So I've read a lot and heard a lot and things like that, but I'm hoping that I will gain some experience from those of you that have worked in the field directly with families in these types of settings and be able to learn from all of you. One thing that you should know in regards to how you feel about child abuse. So, um, I think it's just very pervasive and probably more so than a lot of us realize that are not in this field. And so sometimes the thing, child abuse is kept secret, especially when it involves sexual abuse and that type of thing. And so it's kind of an underlying secret in families or not being treated or dealt with. Other times it's out there and families are involved in the system, and then that becomes kind of also that a recurring theme in that family. So I really liked the video at the beginning of the course, that how she had what she had to say about how we're careful how we talk about like the perpetrators as well, because I think a lot of times those people were treated unfairly or were abused or things like that. And so it's almost like they're working within their realm of capacity. So like, if they were abused as children and treated that way, then they're probably going to do what they were learned as well. And so almost giving them the benefit of the doubt, but it's kind of a fine line to walk. So realizing that, and anyways, I look forward to working with all of you and learning alongside you.